I mean,
What's the likelihood of this actually happening?
I'm willing to do it anytime, anywhere, any place, any rules.
Well, I think stating it this way might
Yeah.
accelerate this process,
Great.
especially on this platform.
I mean,
I think we can
I
make this
challenge him
happen.
to a duel under any circumstances.
A sword fight?
Sure.
Jesus. That's not necessary.
Pistols at dawn.
That's not necessary. I think physical hand to
Nerf
hand.
guns at noon.
Yeah. Nerf guns at noon. Well, you could slash it out in the metaverse. But
Yeah.
in the real world,
Listen, there's just a reason they have weight categories, you know?